Okay, bro. Just got a trade today. Just got a trade today. I'm targeting the minus 2.5. Oh shit, network. Please come back to me, bro. Come back to me, bro. So the main reason of this trade, the network is disturbing. I have to bring it back. Explain. Come back. I always like my story to social and privacy. Okay, we connected back. Let me use it. Let me not use without the without the positions and all that. So normally I talked about uh, difference between CRT, New York AMD PO3. So basically, what was I looking for? I saw London highs was being created. We took London highs. We didn't create any structure again. We just took out the lows. We didn't create any one push structure. We just took out the lows. After taking out the highs, we took after taking out the highs. Sorry, not the lows. After taking out the highs, we ran down. We ran down to these lows. This was the last low we created before the up move. After taking London highs, so the last low we created after taking London highs. So we took it, and I was waiting for price to get to an OTE optimal trade entry. So these candle highs, I was having a contemplation, but I'm very sure of it because these highs right here, this candle high is 1.7216. That high is 1.7216, and the OT entry is same thing with 1 point. This OT entry is, wait, we ran into the open of this bearish candle. The open of this bearish candle is 1.17216, and that was the same place the automatic entry was in. I think I can still bring that. Let me put this automatic entry and give you an instance. I'm up some percentage on this on my account. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let me show you why I took that entry. Okay, fine. Okay, now we have this, right? This automatic entry. This point is that okay? That's 62. That's 62, right? That's 62. Wait, why am I seeing different things? Wait. Did I make the wrong entry? Wait, let me look at something. I'm really confused right now, bro. So confused right now. Oh, it might drop. It might go up lower. This is not. Oh, this size is 16 17, just one peep. I don't know if other brokers. Let me check if other brokers like. Okay, let me check. Let me check premium. Premium. Yes. I close my positions now because I'm getting a different thing. Let me try Panda. Let me use Panda. Let me see if you target. I'll close this. Don't target, I'll close this. Don't say hi there. Don't uh 18. This is 18, and this high is 17. Ah, one peep. God, what's going on? Oh, oh, something happened. Yeah. Wait, wait. Wait. So, I'm thinking of closing this trade, so because I actually get an entry, bruh. Okay, I think we got an entry. I think we got an entry. Okay, we got an entry. Because this is a three consecutive or close candle and the CISD. So, price start it at New York. Yeah, got an entry, got an entry, got an entry, got an entry. Yeah, lucky, you're lucky. So, this is another lesson too. If you see that, if check when you're entering a trade, check the next broker. Like check the next. Is it a broker? What would they even call it? A broker? I don't know what I call it, but check the next broker to see if your trade was start. I'm not to enter this trade like during one, because why EU on this particular broker is not, it's showing me different candles. I have to change. Maybe I have to change, or there's no need, because all my analysis are in the is in FSCM. What do you even call it? FSCM. I have to change, bro. Next time she try not break even. Okay. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. This is EU. On Kwanda, we got an entry. On Kwanda, we got an entry. No doubt. On Kwanda, we got an entry. So we'll leave the position to be open and look for Asian loose eyes. Oh, don't do this, man. On Kwanda, we got an entry. On Kwanda, we got an entry. To be honest, I'm not lying. On Kwanda, we got an entry. We have this consecutive or close count. This is 1, 2, 3. We run into the open of it. I've been doing one. I started to enter my trade at this point. Because this is the midpoint and we are up the premium. So I started to enter my trade here, but I'm using different brokers. So I still got it. I still got it. I'm getting around this point. So I'm still going to hold the trade. So this is really good. I'm just going to look at point. So we are still dropping. Actually, I don't know if I can show it, but I can't show my front camera. We are still dropping to the downside. To be honest, we are still dropping to the downside. You can see that. You can see it. I've seen it. This is a down close candle. That's why I didn't count that as a CISD. But on different broker, I'm seeing 3 up close candle. You can see that's a down close candle. That's why I'm having a contemplation. But we entered the CISD, so I'll just mark my CISD. You understand? I just mark the CISD like I took a bit of CISD. See, you just swept liquidity, you just swept London high. You can see you get a notification of swept London high. So maybe I'll do this. Yeah, I think that's okay. Holding this, holding this, holding this. Let's see if I have a template. CISD, OB. It's still on Adobe too. It's still on Adobe. So we can find, increase that font like 14 as well. So it's 14, put it on the right hand side. See ASAP, we got the confluence and we are dropping to the downside. Let's go. So Asian move over here. Yeah, Asian move here. Asian move here. So go back to this right hand side. And follow that in this green. Support this green. Visibility not in the all the drop down. So almost same thing. Let's say we enter. This change like a 3-to-1, 3-to-1 to 1 ratio. So all of them there. Let's clear everything on our chart. And leave it. You can see nice entry. P62. You can still get this lows, but I think that one percent is okay. That one percent is okay. Let me just put this now to the channel. Oh, bro. Later. So what I say, if like if you want to enter a trade, be looking at the Quanta and the FSM, the FX. Look at the Quanta and look at the FX to see, like, to get a confluence. Because most times the brokers they give different thing. Now at this point I'm supposed to enter doing with the CISD, but I didn't get the CISD. I got a darkness card. I didn't enter through CISD. So I felt like maybe we ran into optimal entry. But just to my notice that we didn't get to any optimal entry, bro. We don't get to any optimal entry. We are still like one peep, just one peep before we get to that point. Just one peep, bro. Just one peep. Let's go. I think this would be. Come back, please. Okay. Let's end it. Let's see how it plays out. Should I show you? We will get to Asian lows or this minus. My tip is at minus 2.5 standard deviation, but we are targeting Asian lows though. So let's see how it plays out. So stop recording. To review today, I entered on Wednesday. Yeah, I entered a trade on Wednesday. This is of the NMTPOT on New York section. So this is how the trade plays out. So okay. It's okay. So the actual reason of this trade was okay, yeah. Actual reason of this trade was that I can calculate different candles. Let me see if I can calculate different candles. I won't be able to do that. Let me see if I can play more than 23 candles. I think it have come up for. Let me check something. I'm checking something. Checking something. Oh, it's all over the place. It's all over the place now. I'm missing it. I'll show you guys. Okay. So that's what I was saying. I called this trade before it happens. Today is Friday. Let me change it. Today is Friday. I said today is sorry. Today is Monday. The new week, another new week of trading day. Today is Tuesday because now it's 12 a.m. Oh god, in Nigeria time. So the reason of this trade was we had London. Like this was a New York short trade. So exactly what was I looking for? Price broke market structure on 4-hour time frame. Let me bring it. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, fine. Price broke market structure at this point. Then we had this candle. This candle is a London candle, and we had this New York expansion. So what strategy price did? We had this sweep. So I was looking for a reversal trade short to a certain level to this FEG though. You can see break a market structure and it's after that breaking market structure, I will look for a sweep of this size. Very simple logic on the job. So I just I just finished with you down 15 minutes. I look for breaking mark a breaking market structure on the M15 to notify to us that we are bearish. So let me show you what I did, what happened there. That is Wednesday. See, price took a shine lows, like price dropped to a shine lows. Okay, see, we had this London. See, you can see London. You can see. You can see. You can see London. We expanded on London. We had the high. We took London highs, and we retraced back into the range, taking out this low. Take out this low. That's the structure shift also. We are now bearish. Then we change. We now switch back to, and I look okay. And I look for a PDR that is in discount, and I look for a PDR that is in premium to go short. And price tagged into this is a consecutive blue sharp candles. They are consecutive on Quanda broker. This is a three up close candle, but on FSCM you can see a bearish candle there. So I looked at that point. I looked at the other broker and saw that we had the CISD. So I entered pissed off it and I entered short. At this point, and price dropped to our fib. I was 0.5. I was 0. I was 0. Our minus 2.5. What am I saying? That's it. Let's see. 2.5. That's what you guys are looking for to take out TP and price get to that point. Though we have news. We had news on Thursday. That was PPI. So I don't trade during those news period. I avoid those news period. Why? What I did that didn't make sense was that I closed at this point when price was like reversing. We got close to the 2.5. We got close to the 2.5. And I was hesitating that price maybe news might drive up and get back to my SL or back to entry. So I closed at some point here with little profit. I got this point with little profit. And not knowing the price was not done and hit our TP. Well, the lesson I've learned is that when we've entered the trade already and we have like a high impact news coming up, and we have like a high impact news coming up, what we need to do is to maybe price have run some arrows, some big arrows. What you need to do is to put your stop loss at break even, so you'll be less free. Put your stop loss at break even, or maybe you can push it back to maybe put your stop loss back to break even. So if price should expand and take you out to go back to your break even, so you hit break even, you will not lose any money and you will not make any money. You hear me? So what you need to do is when you have a high impact news coming up, you try to avoid. Oh, let me change this color. Okay, that's it. See, what we don't here now. Let's see, we sweep there.
think that's the end of the video. Wait, how they need the logic of what we entered. Let me take screenshot of this trade. Because I won't take screenshots of this trade. Let's see, that's the PPI news. Very volatile. So when you have a news coming up, what it is to put your stop loss back to break even. Don't push your SL at break even when you don't have a hypotenuse you are avoiding. When you have a hypotenuse coming up, you put it at break even. So you will not lose anything or make anything. That's it. Let me take some shot of this trade. And I was able to make some cute amount of dollars, but I'm still on drawdown on my foreign account. I'm afraid I will get up very soon. Hallelujah. I think I have a screenshot of also this trade, the beginning and also the ending. Okay, I think this is it. I think this is it. I'd like to load up. So now we are in a new week. We actually entered a new week. We entered a very fresh week. So we just and also like I said, have a feeling that PPI goes against the trend. PPI actually goes against the trend. It goes against the trend. Only find CPI goes to our trend, but PPI actually goes like not aligned with our distant bias. But right to what you do your SL at break even. Even if your trend, even if your bias is bullish and you buy and they have PPI coming up, put your stop loss at the break even to see the outcome of it and get an info from it. This is the open up, boy. Oh, wasting my time, bro. Okay, can see. I can see Euro USD 915. This trade was captured on the 13th of 2025. You can see the date right there and the time. I caught the trade during New York, so this is New York period, only New York time. It's 13th. You can see. Where is it short right there? So we ended the live for now. See you